Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Now students, as you know that we have started our grammar and composition. So in that grammar and composition section, there is one very simple and easy part, that is exclamatory sentence. So in that exclamatory sentence, in the question paper, you will give a question like make an exclamatory sentence of following given sentence. This topic, exclamatory sentence, is for 1 or 2 mark in your exam. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the exclamatory sentence. Now exclamatory sentence, in your exam the question will as I said, in your exam the question will be like you will get one sentence, 1 or 2 sentence, and you have to change that given sentence into the exclamatory sentence. Okay, for the given sentence you should change the exclamatory sentence. Otherwise this exclamatory sentence which is helpful for composition also. In the composition section, if you want to write any exclamatory sentences means what? The sentence which express feeling. Yes, the sentence which express feeling. So these feeling expressing sentences are useful for the composition section also. Now today we are going to learn about the exclamatory sentence. Now let me start. Sentence that express feelings like joy, surprise, sorrow, anger, admiration, pity and other feelings in the strong way are called exclamatory sentence. Now exclamatory sentence means what? The sentence which express various kinds of feelings or mood like happy, sad, sorrow, surprise, etc. It means that the feeling expressing sentence we call exclamatory sentence. Okay, now like other type of sentence, this sentence also starts with the capital letter. Like other sentences, like in English language there are many of the types of sentences. We have seen the types of sentence already. Okay, so as like that, this exclamatory sentence also starts with the capital letter. Okay, and there are 4 kinds of exclamatory sentence. There are 4 kinds of exclamatory sentence. First is happy, second is sad, third is surprise and fourth is angry. Now these are the 4 kinds of exclamatory sentence. Now let's see in detail the kinds of exclamatory sentence. First is happy. Now happy sentence, happy is a mood. Yes, happy is mood or feeling we can say. So what sentence we should use to express happy feeling, or how we can state a structure of sentence of happy sentence in the exclamatory sentence? Let's see. Happy sentence. These sentences are used to express happy feelings or mood. Now happy sentence used to express happy feeling or happy mood. Okay, now they starts with the interjection. Now happy sentence always start with the interjection word. For example, hooray, wow, yippee. Yes, we say that words. Yes, no. So these interjection words starts the happy sentence. Okay, now it starts with interjection hooray, wow, yippee, etc. But after writing this interjection word in the happy sentence, you should give an exclamatory mark right next to the interjection word. Here in the happy sentence, exclamatory mark where you should give right to the next of interjection word. For example, hooray! Exclamation mark. We won the match. And one more thing, this happy sentence ends with the full stop. Happy sentence always ends with full stop. And where does we can give the question exclamation mark? Exclamation mark after the interjection word we have to use. Okay. Now next is sad. Sad sentence. These sentences are used to express sad feelings or mood. Now sad sentence useful to express sad feelings or sad mood. Okay. Now this sad sentence also starts with the interjection word. Sad sentence also starts with the interjection word like oh, ah, alas, etc. Okay, so this after writing this interjection word which express the sad feeling, in the sad sentence you have to use the word like which express the sad feeling. After writing this interjection word, right next you have to give exclamation mark. Okay, for example, ah, exclamation mark. My head is paining. Sad feeling. Something is paining, so feeling is sad. So my head is paining. Ah, my head is paining. Now in this sad sentence, after writing the interjection word, you have to give a question exclamation mark right next. Exclamation mark you have to give right next to the interjection word, and this sad sentence always end with the full stop. Sad sentence also always ends with the full stop. Next is surprise sentence. Now surprise sentence, these sentences are used to express surprise feelings or mood. They may start with WH word like what or how. This sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Now in this surprise sentence there is something change. What change? This surprise sentence we use for stating the surprise, or if we are in surprise mood, or we have to express surprise feeling. If we have to express the surprise, then we have to use this surprise sentence. Now surprise sentence always starts with WH word. WH word means what? The word which start with W or H or WH. Okay, the word which start with W or H or WH, that we call WH word. For example, what or how. Now for expressing the surprise feeling sentence, we use the WH word like what or how. Okay, now this sentence ends with exclamation mark. Now there is change. What change? After writing WH word, here you should not give exclamation mark. Exclamation mark here you have to give at the end. That is the change. Okay, and here also you have to write with the capital letter. You have to start with the capital letter, capital H. Okay, and end with the exclamation mark. And one more thing, that surprise sentence always end with am, is, are. Okay, surprise sentence always end with am or is or are. Means surprise sentence start with WH word. Surprise sentence ends with am or is or are. And surprise sentence ends with the exclamation mark. And last, one more example we will see here. How cool the climate is. How cool the climate is. Or we can say, how stupid I am. Okay. Or how stupid they are, etc. So, surprise sentence always start with WH word and end with am or is or are. Whatever the suitable title, am, is, are, write that suitable title. Okay. And end with the exclamation mark. Next is angry sentence. Now, angry sentence, these sentences are used to express angry feelings or mood. Now, angry sentence always used to express angry feelings or angry mood. Now, angry sentence also starts with the interjection word. Angry sentence also start with the interjection word like damn, shit, oh no, etc. Okay, which shows the anger. The interjection word you have to use which shows the anger. Okay, and after writing the interjection word in the angry sentence also, after writing the interjection word, you have to give a exclamation mark. And angry sentence also ends with the full stop. Angry sentence also ends with full stop and start with the interjection word. For example, shit, exclamation mark, I broke my pen. Okay, now here we have done with the 4 kinds of exclamation sentence. Now again I will tell you 4 kinds of exclamation sentence: happy, happy sentence, sad sentence, surprise sentence and angry sentence. Happy sentence, what we can say? The sentence which shows the happiness. Which shows the happiness, that sentence known as a happy sentence in a exclamatory sentence. Now, happy sentence always starts with the interjection word which shows happiness. The interjection word we have used in the happy sentence, that should be shows the happiness. And after writing the interjection word in the happy sentence, you should give a exclamation mark. After writing the interjection word, you should give the exclamation mark in the happy sentence. And happy sentence ends with the full stop. Happy sentence ends with the full stop and start with the capital letter and interjection word which shows the happiness. Second is sad sentence. Sad sentence starts with the interjection word which shows the sad feeling. Sad sentence is express the sad feeling, and in the sad sentence it start with the interjection word. Sad sentence also start with the interjection word which shows the sad feeling. And after writing the sad feeling interjection word, you have to give exclamation mark. And at the end of sad sentence, you should have give full stop. And it will start with the interjection word with capital letter. Okay. And the third type is surprise sentence. Now surprise sentence always start with the WH word. A surprise sentence starts with the WH word and surprise sentence express the surprise feeling. Surprise sentence start with WH word and end with am, is or are. Surprise sentence end with am or is or are, and at the end of surprise sentence you should give a exclamation mark. At the end of surprise sentence you should give the exclamation mark, and you have to use am or is or are in surprise sentence. But a surprise sentence start with WH word. And the last is angry sentence. Angry sentence starts the anger showing word, like anger showing interjection. Damn, shit, oh no, etc. The sentence which shows the anger, angry sentence. Okay, and angry sentence also start with the interjection which shows the anger, like damn, shit, etc. And angry sentence also end with the full stop, and angry sentence starts with the interjection word, and right next to the interjection word you have to give a exclamation mark in the angry sentence. Now in this all four kinds of exclamatory sentence, two things are common in all the four kind of exclamatory sentence. Which two things are common? First thing, that is you should use a capital letter for starting the sentence. Okay, that is the common thing. You should use the capital letter for starting the sentence. And second thing, that is in the exclamatory sentence you should use a exclamatory mark. Don't forget to give exclamatory mark in the exclamatory sentence, otherwise you will not get the marks. So don't forget to give a exclamation mark in the exclamatory sentence. Now here we have done with the exclamatory sentence. In notes I will give more examples about the exclamatory sentence. Thank you.